Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to improve the flushing action of your toilet. "90% of the time, if you notice that the flushing action of your toilet is not as forceful as it used to be, it's because the holes under the rim are clogged. You're going to fix this using a handheld mirror like this and a wire coat hanger. If you put that mirror down inside there, you see how you can see those holes right there? Well, those holes are what provide that swirling action in the toilet. So if you take a metal hanger like this and you break it apart, and you have that end right here, that's not the part that hangs on the hanger, but the little bit, you're going to bend that wire up a little bit and use this to kind of do almost like a dentist. You're going to take that mirror so that you can see the holes, and then you're going to take that end of the wire hanger and you're going to basically remove what would be called, like the plaque on your teeth. And by doing so, each hole slowly all the way around and cleaning that out, you're going to open up those holes. Then when you flush the toilet, you're going to have that powerful action that you need to evacuate the solids that are inside the toilet. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.